Hi guys, this is Shivpal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, you know that I am a government teacher of middle school R- Rajpuri Kala, block Lakhanpur, district Sarguja. But guys, I will tell you, according this, I will tell you one more thing that I am I am in learning process of speaking English because I have done my graduation, my schooling. I have done my schooling in Hindi medium school, and I have to teach to all student only English, and I feel frustrated when comes to when it's come to speak English. So guys, because of this fear, because of the fear get rid of, I have to do practice daily. Guys, if you want to get success in your life, then you have to do a lot of work. Without hard work you can't get success in your life, because the people who think who those think he looks like as it is. I mean to say, as you think, so as you make, as you think as you make. इन हिंदी, जैसा आप सोचते हैं बिल्कुल वैसा ही बन जाते हैं। इसीलिए दोस्तों, अगर आपको सफल होना है तो आपको कड़ी मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत है। बिना मेहनत किए आप सफल हो ही नहीं सकते। बिकॉज आज तक दुनिया में जितने लोग भी सफल हुए हैं, आप उन्हें यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप पर देखते हैं। दुनिया में जितने भी सफल आदमी हैं, उन्होंने अपने लक्ष्य के लिए, अपने टारगेट गोल को अचीव करने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत की है। ऑल द पीपल those were achieved their goal, and we can see on YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp or television, they all did hard work and achieved their desired goal. So guys, I want to say that nothing is impossible. कैन यू गेट माई पॉइंट? नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल, यानी कि असंभव कुछ भी नहीं है। दोस्तों, अगर आपको सफल होना है तो असंभव शब्द को में से अ को हटा दीजिए। सब कुछ संभव है, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल। अगर आपको सफलता पानी है तो आपको पागलपंती लानी पड़ेगी। बिना पागलपंती लाए अपने जीवन में कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते। आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है तो आपको मेहनत तो करनी ही होगी। इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट सक्सेस in your life, then you have to be passionate. Without passion you can't get success. And determination means संकल्प, दृढ़ इच्छा शक्ति, विल पावर, इन सभी चीज़ों का होना ज़रूरी है। आज हम लोग एक एक्टर जिनका नाम शाहरुख खान है, उनके बारे में बताना चाहूँगा। वो अपने काम को लेकर इस कदर डेडिकेट हो गए, पागलपंती उन्होंने दिखाई। उन्होंने एक दिन अपनी माँ से बोला था कि माँ, मैं बड़ा होकर एक्टर बनूँगा, और किसी को यकीन नहीं हुआ जब उन्होंने ये बात कही थी। लेकिन एक दिन ऐसा आया कि वो 100% बॉलीवुड के एक्टर बने, और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी फिल्में हमें दी हैं, जैसे दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, दिल तो पागल है, बाजीगर, और मैनी मोर्स, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। सो गाइज, मैं कहना ये चाहता हूँ कि जो जैसा सोचता है बिल्कुल वैसा ही करता है। अगर आप अच्छा अपने बारे में अच्छा सोचेंगे तो अच्छा होगा, और बुरा सोचेंगे तो बुरा होगा। इसीलिए अगर आपको जीवन में सफलता पानी है तो अच्छा सोचिए और अच्छे लोगों से बात कीजिए और ऑब्जर्व कीजिए। अच्छे लोगों को ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कि वो अपने बारे में सोचते क्या हैं। अच्छे लोग को फॉलो कीजिए। एज यू सो, इट इज सेड दैट इन इंग्लिश, एज यू सो सो शैल यू राइट। सो गाइज, I would like to tell you, because you know that I'm a government teacher, and if I talk about government school in those days, in in these days, nowadays, in government school, children are only taught to read and write, but they are not taught to speak English. I believe that children, all children should be speak English along with reading and writing, because you know that there are four aspects to learn any language. Means L, it's called LSRW. Its short form is LSRW. L means learning, S means speaking, L for learning, S for speaking, R for reading, or W for writing. Reading, speaking, writing, and reading. Reading, reading, speaking, writing, and listening. So, guys, these four pillar. These are four pillars to get success in any language. So, guys, if you want to get success in your life, then the most powerful aspect is listening and speaking. Speaking is very essential part. Suppose that you want to you want to cross the river, because your home is across the river, then you have to get in the river. Without 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 get in river, you can't. If you want to swimming river, then you have to get in the river. Without doing this, you can't get success in your life. Like that, guys, if you want to get success, then you have to do it. There are no any other options to you. Guys, I will tell you, in short, I will tell you my childhood story. In my childhood, I was not good at studies. I used to play with dirty children. My parents had no restrictions on me at home. It was the year 1994. My father climbed the tamarind tree to pluck tamarind in the afternoon. It was the year 1994. My father climbed the tamarind tree in the backyard of my house to pluck tamarind in the afternoon. There was a mango tree next to the tamarind tree. Mangoes were also spread in it. He tried to pluck mangoes along with tamarind. Due to this effort, he lost his balance and fell on the ground, in which they went to coma, and he went to a district hospital for treatment. But seeing his condition, the doctor has referred him to Vilai. He was stayed there for about 8 to 10 days, but there was no improvement in his condition, and he became disabled forever. And he became disabled forever. And guys, he became disabled forever. And guys, ऐसा इसलिए हुआ, सो इट्स वाई, इट्स ऑपरेशन। नहीं, मैं देख लूँगा, एकदम निश्चिंत रहिए गाइज। एंड I will tell you one more thing, that if you want to get success in your life, then and what to say in life, then phrase it. So guys, I will tell you one more thing, that as a result I had to do farming. I used to study in school and at the same time used to plow fields for half an hour. I remember that I was so poor that I used to survive in just a pant, shirt and shorts. I also remember that whenever I got rupees 10 or 20 rupees for my parents for my parents to any work, I used to be very happy. So guys, this was my childhood story. I hope all of you like it, and if you like it, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you very much to listening to me carefully. Have a good day. Till then, take care. Bye.